Hello student, today we will discuss in chapter 3rd nylons and polyester. Firstly we will discuss nylon. Here the property of nylon. Dear student, nylon is a fiber which is more elastic than natural fibers. Dear student, nylon is a more elastic than natural fiber. Nylon is stronger than steel wires. Dear student, you know that a steel wires, which is the alloy of iron, steel wire are very strong, but the nylon is the stronger than steel wire. Okay student, absorbs very little water. Dear student, polyester nylons are bad absorbent of water because it absorbs very little amount of water and dry quickly. Okay. Dear student, here the use of nylon. Dear student, nylon you discuss here. Nylon is stronger than steel and more elastic than natural fiber. Due to this property, it used for making fishing net because it is strong than steel wire, and also used for making tents because it is stronger than steel wire and more elastic property than natural fiber. Parachutes, again parachute, for making parachute because it is stronger and elastic property. Ropes also for making ropes because it has elastic and it is stronger than steel wire, and also used for making toothbrush bristles. Dear student, you observe the brush which are you use daily. The bristles of the brush is made from nylons. Dear student, it used as bristles of toothbrush because it has elastic properties. Okay, and it may use as for making socks due to their elastic properties. Okay, but here are some disadvantages of the nylons. First is when sunlight fall on the nylons or nylon in contact of pollutant, the colors of nylons are disappear. So discolor from the sunlight and pollutant. अगर नायलॉन्स को आप क्या करेंगे, सनलाइट में और पॉल्यूशन में छोड़ देंगे तो उसका कलर क्या होगा, डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. Sensitive to heat and melt on catching fire. ये फायर बहुत जल्दी कैच कर लेता है, ये हीट के लिए सेंसिटिव है, इसी वजह से इसको हीट से दूर रखना चाहिए. Does not allow air to pass through it. इसके शर्ट्स और कपड़े नहीं बना सकते, इसके क्लॉथ से नहीं बन सकते क्योंकि ये एयर पास ही नहीं करता है. लेकिन इसका एक डिसएडवांटेज है, बट इसका एक फायदा भी है. एडवांटेजेस है कि ये एयर पास नहीं करता एयर नहीं पास करता, इसी वजह से पैराशूट्स में यूज इन पैराशूट्स. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ डिस्कस नेक्स्ट fiber is polyester. Polyester is made from two words, poly plus ester. Here ester is the monomer of polyester, means many monomeric unit of esters join to each others form polyester. Okay dear student, terylene, dacron, polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET, that is in short PET. PET means poly, E means ethylene and T means terephthalate. Okay, PET. Terylene, dacron and PET are the example of polyester. Okay, are the example of polyester. Dear student, here some mixtures of polyesters, that is polycot. Polycot is the mixture of polyester and cotton. जब पॉलिस्टर और कॉटन को मिक्स करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? पॉलीकॉट बन जाता है. So polycot is the mixture of polyester and cotton, and polyols the mixture of polyester and wool. Terrycot is the mixture of terylene. Terylene is a polyester, terylene and cottons. Dear student, terrywols means terylene, wool means wool. That means it is the mixture of terylene and wools. Again, polycot means poly means polyester, cot means cotton. It is the mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool means polyester, wool means wool. So it is the mixture of polyester and wools. Here terry means terylene and cotton. It is a mixture of terylene and cotton. Terrywool means it is terrywool. Terry means terylene and wools. It is a mixture of terylene and wools. Okay, I think you understand by their name who is the mix in the polyester. Okay, student. Now discuss the properties of the polyester. Dear student, polyester are the have the quick resistance to action of chemicals. Polyester chemicals अटैक से बचाता है because it quick resistance to action of chemicals. लेबोरेटरीज के जो एप्रॉन्स होते हैं वो किसके बने होते हैं? उसमें पॉलिस्टर्स होता है. क्या होता है? पॉलिस्टर यूज किया जाता है. लाइट एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, के हल्के भी हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग भी, लाइट्स भी हैं और स्ट्रॉन्ग भी होते हैं. ड्यू टू देयर प्रॉपर्टीज their mixture means terylene, polycot, polyol, terrycot, terrywool are the mixture of polyester. The mixtures with natural fiber like terrycot, polycot, terrywool and polyols is the example of polyester which are made by the mixing polyester with natural fiber. So mixture with natural fiber to make fabric. पॉलिस्टर्स के जो नेचुरल फाइबर के साथ जो मिक्सचर्स बनते हैं वो किस में यूज होते हैं? फैब्रिक्स में, लाइक सूट्स, जैकेट्स, शर्ट्स, ट्राउजर, साड़ी, एक्सेट्रा. The mixtures of polyester and natural fibers are used for making suits, jackets, shirt, trousers, saris, etc. Now, dear student, are you know that bottles of water, a bottle of water are made by PET, are made by PET. PET is polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate used for making bottle, utensil and films. Okay, student. Dear student, in next lectures we are discuss another fibers and their properties, used and disadvantages, advantages, etc. Please take a screenshot of the given content on whiteboard and make a notes. Thank you very much.